Good morning, P5 students.
Good morning, teacher.
Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Today, it's mathematics as usual. It's mathematics. Let us go on, and I want you to look at the blackboard. Look at here on blackboard. I want everybody to look at here on the blackboard.
Yes.
Can you see here on the blackboard?
Yes.
Is this diagram given visible?
Yes.
I want you to tell me what is drawn on your blackboard. What is drawn on blackboard? From last lessons, from P4, from P3, I think you have seen a diagram like this one. What is this? Yes, Shira, Mwizerwa? Huh? This is a
Circle.
This is
A circle.
circle. This is a circle. From our given circle, I think it is not your first time to see a circle. Yes?
Yes.
This is not your first time to see a circle.
Yes.
You have seen a circle from somewhere in nurseries used to dance some songs. Circle, circle. Can you remember the songs?
Yes.
You have been making circles there in nurseries. Today, by having our circle, I think you only know something about circle. From our circle, today, we are going to see, we have seen some parts of a circle. All right?
Yes.
We have seen some parts of a circle from P3 and even P4. Here in P5, we are not going to take our time on parts of the circle, but I want to know if you do remember the parts of the circle. When we have a circle, what are some parts that you can put into consideration about the circle? What do you remember about the parts of the circle? Yes? You remember about radius. Radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? We have seen that the radius of the circle is given by a length or a distance from the center to the circle. I will draw the radius for you. We have seen that a length or a distance from the center to the circle is what we call the radius. This is what we call radius of a circle. What else have we seen about the parts of the circle? What have we mentioned? Yes, Rick? We have seen also a diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? What have we seen to be a diameter of the circle? We have seen that a diameter of the circle is always supposed to be a length, okay? A length, a long length, which is passing in the center of the circle, but it passes from the center of the circle from one side of one circle, one part of the circle, to the other end of the circle, but passing through the center of the circle. What is it? Let's have this example. It's a length which is passing in the center from one side of the circle to the other end of the circle. Can you see? It is from the circle here, and passing from the center, it reaches here on the other side of the circle. Can you see? It is touching to the circle given here, but passing through the center. Okay? So, what else have we seen from the parts of the circle? From your previous classes, yes? We have seen the circumference. Good. The circumference of the circle, we have seen that it is this distance around our circle. This length around our circle, this distance around our circle, it is what we have called to be the circumference. This is what we have called to be a diameter. Okay? So, here today, what I want you to discover, we have some other parts of the circle, like a sector, this distance between two radiuses. You see, this is a radius. This is a radius. Is this also the radius?
Yes.
This is also the radius from the center. This is also another radius. This is another radius. So the distance between two radiuses, this area between two radiuses, how do you call it? It is called, raise up your hands. It is called, yes, Arin? It is called a sector of what? Of our circle. This area, yes, I will show it by using a white chalk. This area between two radii of our circle are called sector. Okay? This is the sector of our circle. We have other parts of the circle, for example. What else do we have? I have seen different parts of the circle from our previous classes. We have here a sector. We have here a radius. We have a diameter. We have also the sector of the circle. Yes. What else do we have? Yes. We have a chord. The chord of the circle, it is another distance, but which does not pass in the center of the circle. Are we together here? Another distance which does not pass in. Look at this distance. This distance which does not pass in the center, but it touches on the ends of the circle, is what we call a chord of the circle. It is this distance which does not passes in the center of the circle. This one is called a chord of the circle. This is called the chord of a circle. So today, as you can see, once we have these parts of the circle, those parts of the circle, let us see how we can find a diameter of a circle once we are given a radius of a circle. Today, we are going to see how we can finding radius of a circle. How can we find the radius of the circle? Sometime we will be given the diameter of the circle. For example, let's have here some examples. I will give you first example to you for how we can find a radius of a circle once we are given its diameter. Are we together here?
Yes.
So, for example, find example number 1. Find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 18 centimeters of wrong. 18 centimeters wrong. Who can read for us the question, the given question? We are given a problem there on the blackboard. Who can read for us? People here must also know to read some questions. Yes, Kevin. I mean, Devin.
Find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 18 centimeters.
Good. Find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 18 centimeters wrong. How can we find the radius of the given circle whose diameter is 18 centimeters long? We have seen that to find a radius, normally, as we can see from our circle, follow here, look at here, please. We have seen that this is what we call what is it? This is a radius of the circle. And once you have this radius, and we have also the other radius from this one, we can form a diameter from one radius and the other radius here. Yes. Are we together here? Yes. Once we have two radii here, we can form a diameter. Mathematics allows us to find a radius, one radius, once we are given the whole diameter. How now? It says that, as you can see, once we take radius number 1, are we together here? Yes. Try to follow. Once we have radius number 1, and we have radius number 2, once they are combined together, forming one length, they form a diameter. It means that radius number 1, okay, plus radius number 2, we form a diameter. Or simply, radius times 2 gives a diameter. Are we together here? Yes. This formula, this mathematical formula will help us to find the radius once we are given the diameter. Or, in other books, we will find that a diameter of the circle, are we together here? Yes. Is given by radius plus radius. Or diameter of the circle, this length, is given by taking the radius multiplied by 2. When you multiply this radius, one radius you are given, when you multiply it by 2, you will get our radius, our diameter of the circle. So in our question here, what are we given? First of all, to answer this question, you will think about what we are given. What are we given in our question? Are we given radius? Are we given the diameter? What are we given there? Hands up. What are we given there on our question? What are we given? You will say we're given something. What is given there? Want someone to answer? Yes? Yes, Miguel. What are we given? We are given the diameter of the circle. Good. The diameter of this given circle equals to what? It equals to what? What is the diameter of this given question? Diameter is given to, yes? Yes, my friend? It is equal, the diameter of the given circle is equal to 18 centimeter long. This is the length of the diameter of the circle. It means that from here to this point of the circle, passing through the center, we have the length of 18 centimeter. Now, what is the problem? What are we asked in our question? What are we asked to find? That is what you have to think about. What, I'm given this, but I'm also asked to find this. What are we asked to find? Yes? Yes, Shira? We are asked to find the radius of the circle. Good. We are asked to find the radius. Radius equal to what? Now, from here, we have discovered the formula which is going to help us to find the radius of the circle. The formula now we are going to use. Those are 3 things that you have to think about when you are given a problem like this. The formula to use to find the radius, once we are given diameter, we have seen that a diameter is equal to radius times 2. To find the radius, once we are given a diameter here, what can we do? What do you simply think that can help us to find the radius once we are given diameter? To find the radius, can you please follow? Yes. To find the radius, once we are given a diameter of a circle, think this. The radius is given by, look at here. This is a diameter of a circle. Yes. To find the radius, we have to cut by 2 equal parts, this radius, to find the radius of our given circle. What does it mean? It means that once you cut this diameter into 2 equal parts, you will find the radius of the circle. It means that once you are given the diameter of a circle, to find its radius, divide the diameter by 2, and you will get a radius. Why? Because this diameter is made by 2 equal radii. Are we together here? Yes. This diameter is made by 2 equal parts of the radius. Are we together here? So from our question, the formula which is going to help us is not this one. this is for finding diameter once we are given radius. But this formula we have discovered together is the one which is going to help us to find the radius once we are given a diameter. Who can write now the formula here? The formula that can help us to find the radius once we are given a diameter. I want someone to write the formula. Yes? Who can discover it? Yes, good. It's here. So I draw there a formula, only the formula that can help us to find the radius. Good. Once you don't know the formula, it is not easy for you to find the given asked question. Can you read what you have written? Radius equals? Good. Can you clap to this one? Is saying that radius is equal to diameter of the circle divided by what? 2. By 2. It means that put this one into consideration once we are given such question. What is it now? Our radius is going to be equal to what? We are given the diameter. Is it given? Yes. We are given what? The diameter. Which is equal to? 18. It is equal to what? 18 centimeter. We are also given this formula. We can find now radius. Who can replace this formula to find radius? Who can replace this? Who can use the formula to find radius? I need someone. Yes, Elvis? Once we have a formula, mathematics becomes simple to people. Right, Shema? I think I'm right. Once you don't have a formula, it becomes very difficult. But tell us what you are doing.
Radius equals to 18 centimeter divided by 2.
18 centimeter divided by 2. Can you divide for us? And you too can divide and see what she's going to get. Mr. Elvis, you have got radius equals to what?
9 centimeters.
This radius of our circle is equal to the radius of our circle. The radius of our circle is given by 9 centimeter. A very big clap to Mr. Elvis. Very nice. Once we are given a diameter, it is becoming simple to find the radius of our circle. Let me give you a question that you have to do from your books. Everyone, I want to see if everyone can find the radius once we are given diameter. But is there any question? Can you see some people who are not getting it very well? Someone? If no question, let's go on the example number 2, which can help us to find the... What do we use to draw a circle? Mathematical instrument that we use to draw a circle. What is that? Yes, we use a mathematical compass. Is it this one? Yes. This is a mathematical compass that we use to draw a circle. This hand shows us the center, and this one measures the radius of the circle. Let's draw together. Given the circle below, let's draw together the circle. Can you see? This is our circle. What is holding here? What is this? Right? This is the center of the circle. This will show us to know the center of the circle. Great. This is going to be the center of our circle. So, to this given question, good. Question is find the radius of the given circle. This is our question. This is our problem. You are given a circle. You are given the length of one of the parts. So find the radius of the given circle. No need of even drawing the circle. Calculate the circle. I want the answer. Show the given. Show the asked. Show the formula that's going to help you. And then you find it. No need of drawing.
Yeah.
Try it quickly. First, think about the given data. Think about what you are asked to find. Thirdly, think about the formula. Then after, work out. Okay, good. Here someone has finished. Good. Mr. Shema have calculated the radius of the circle by taking the given diameter of the circle divided by 2. And, okay, good. That's good. This is the given. This is the asked. This is the formula, okay? So, good, very good. Show me the given. The given is this one. This is the formula, okay? This is the asked. We are asked to find this one. So, radius is equal to, right? Very good. Want to see what is given. This is the given. What is the formula? Formula is here. And, okay, now radius is equal to this. Very good. I will reach on you, don't worry. Good. This is the given. We are asked to find this. This is the formula. Put here equal. Once you don't put equal here, it will not be the formula. Good. Therefore, radius is given there. Very good. Here we are given diameter of this. Asked the radius. Okay. The formula to help you is this one. Therefore, radius is equal to 11 centimeters. Okay, we reach to everybody here, no problem. We are like radius. This formula. Good. Others? Not ready? Good. This is the formula. Very good. This is the given. Let's get the formula. Very good. Given. Asked formula. Then radius. Okay. Hope for today. Radius. Very good. Given. This is the formula. Good. Given. We asked this. This is the formula. This is the radius. Very nice. Who can show all the information on the blackboard? Good. Show all the information, the given, the asked, and the formula to find the radius of the circle. Okay. Who is that? Who is that? Okay. Who can try it? Let's call Blandine to try out. Good. I like it. Thank you. You're welcome. First, show us the given solution. What are we given, Ms. Blandine? Diameter. Can you speak? Where is your equal? Good. Diameter equals to 22 centimeter. What is asked? To find the radius. Good. Asked to find formula then. Good. Have you finished? Okay. Just my red pen. Kneeling down. I went and I saw. Okay, you have got the radius of the circle by taking the diameter divided by 2, and you have got the radius of the circle, which is equal to what? To 11 centimeters. Is she correct? Yes. Have you got this 11 centimeter? Yes. Can you clap to her? Very nice. Very nice. I want to give you the question that you have to think about after this lesson, okay? The question of the activity that you have to think about after this lesson. Once you are in break, once you are in your lunch time, think about the following. Calculate the radius of the circle given the following diameters. The first circle is having a diameter of we will think about the radius of the circle with this diameter. B, circle with diameter of 20 centimeters. C. Passive what if diameter is given by think about the radius of a circle whose diameter is 45. Think about the radius of the circle whose diameter is 20 centimeters. Think about the radius of the circle whose diameter is 13 centimeters. That's good. Just to summarize our lesson today, we have seen that we can find a radius. Can you stop writing and first follow me? We can find a radius of a circle once we are given its diameter. How now? To find the radius of a circle, once we are given a diameter, we just divide its diameter by 2. Are we together? Yes. We divide it by 2, then we get its radius. So, in different questions, you will meet with some questions with the diameter of the circle, and you're asked to find the radius. To find the radius, take that diameter and we divide it into 2 parts. One part will be a radius of a circle. Thank you very much. Write the question of activity, and we will try to find out. By the next lesson, you will try to show me the answers, different answers that you have made. But when you meet with very many complications, find me. I will help you. Okay. Thank you very much.